Yeah. So yeah. Last video tonight. I'm probably gonna put this somewhere, but yeah. I forgot I had something, and it's pretty cool because it is this thing right here. I don't know if you can see this. Had it for years, and it was over there buried under some shit. Yeah, I know you're all saying, how do you forget you have a brand new parts washer? Yeah, brand new. Let me turn it around. King Canada parts washer. Made in China. Yeah. Good old fashioned Chinese man. But you know what this is going to be? This is going to be the new King Canada Evaporust washer. I'm going to put it over there with my other pile of junk. Leave it on the shelf. Move all the little yodels of stuff out of the way, and ta-da! Permanent paper Evaporust bucket. I can't believe I forgot I had this. Probably because it's covered in bird shit right now. Why is there bird shit? Because birds got in here and shit over everything. It's a little, because they are little shits, the birds. So anyway, this is my new Evaporust bin. Instead of a 5-gallon pail, I'm going to put some in here, and I'll use a little bigger. I'll still use the 5-gallon pail, but this I can put all the smaller stuff in. Yay! An Evaporust bucket. Woohoo! Anyway, thanks for watching.